Today I'm going to show you how to use a GE washing machine. It's a pretty straightforward process once you know the steps. And though the exact buttons and cycles can vary, depending on whether you have a top load or front load or high efficiency model, I'm just going to give you a general guide on how it works. Let's go ahead and get through it, okay? So, how to use a GE washing machine. Right here, I have a front-loading washing machine. First, you're going to open the door or lid or whatever you want to call it. You're going to place your clothes evenly inside of the drum. Don't overload this, okay? Leave a little space for water to circulate. Check the clothing labels, for washing instructions so you know exactly how to wash your particular garment. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to add detergent. And if you have a dispenser drawer, add liquid or powdered detergent into the slots. For pods, you're going to want to toss the pod directly in the drum before adding the clothes. Let me say that again. You're going to want to add it to the drum before adding the clothes. As far as fabric softener, add in the softener inside of the compartment if it's available. This washing machine right here, it is available. You add it right there. For bleach, only add bleach into the dispenser. Never pour directly onto clothes. All right, so next, after you've done that, you close all that, and you're going to choose the cycle. On the control panel, you'll see the different cycles like normal, casual. Now, this is for everyday clothes, mixed clothes. You have an option for white and heavy duty. This is usually for towels, sheets, or heavy soiled clothes. You have a delicates cycle, which is for lingerie, light fabrics, whatnot. You have a quick wash or fast wash. This is for lightly soiled clothes and small loads. Sometimes you may have a bulky or bedding option or cycle, and this is usually reserved for comforters and blankets. Now, if your machine has a dial, turn to your desired dial using this dial. If it is a digital panel, you press the button for the cycle that you want. Now, some washing machines, you're going to have to adjust the settings optional, such as the water temperature, the speed, and the soil level. Water temperature generally from hot, warm, cold. The spin speed is usually from high for jeans and towels, or some of the lower ones for delicates. The soil level generally is from light, normal, and heavy. Now, after you made the selections, you're going to want to start the machine. You're going to close the door securely. Many GE washers won't start if it is not closed. And after you've closed the door, now generally I shut the door before I even do all of the settings, the cycle settings. You're going to press start or the start pause button. Now it is what it is. You start it by pressing this. You can also pause it by pressing this button after it's already started. Now some models require pressing power first, then selecting the cycle, then start. Now, when the cycle ends, the machine will beep or unlock the door. You'll remove the clothes promptly to prevent wrinkles or mildew. Leave the washer slightly open after use to let it dry out, especially for front loaders. I hope this video has been helpful. I hope you're able to wash your clothes, and thanks for washing.